Hi, good afternoon folks, it's Simon at Vans Today here in Worcester, and I'm here to give you a video walk around of this 2022 on a 72 plate. It is the mighty Citroen Relay, this one being the later 2.2 Euro 6.2 engine, 140 brake horsepower with the 6-speed manual gearbox, and it is in enterprise specification. Obviously Enterprise being their top of the range specification, it's the spec that everybody wants. What has it got on it? I'll quickly run you through that. So obviously power steering, electric windows, mirrors, air conditioning, factory TomTom sat nav with DAB, FM and AM, Bluetooth telephone and Bluetooth music, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Have I mentioned auto lights? Maybe I haven't. Anyway, but you can tell they're nice specification, can't you? Now, this is a one keeper from new vehicle. It has covered 34,000 warranted miles. We have just had the oil changed by Citroen, and we will also get all of the other filters changed through our workshops, so it will have had a full service, that being oil filter, air filter, fuel filter and pollen filter before it goes out the door. Still got the Citroen manufacturer's warranty on it until November 2025, so that's all nice as well, isn't it? And I have to say, I think it's in pretty good overall condition. Okay, now for those of you that haven't seen any of our videos before, the purpose of the video is to give you a warts and all video walk around of the van, so you get an idea of exactly what it is that you're buying, and then you can make that informed decision whether this is the vehicle for you or not. So enough of my waffle. We normally start up there on the roof, however I'm not 8 foot tall, so all I can do is give you a viewpoint from down here. It all looks good on our security cameras at work anyway, but nose cone, everything, that's all looking good. Coming down onto your windscreen, the windscreen's in good overall condition. There are no major stone chips, cracks and nothing like that that's going to cause either of us any grief when it comes to MOT time. Further on down onto the bonnet, again the bonnet is in good overall condition, and as you can see, that paintwork has still got a lovely polished finish to it, so no major stone chips or damage or anything like that on the bonnet. And then down to your front bumper, the front grills, all of that all looking neat and tidy, aren't they? Passenger side headlamp unit, that's all looking good. Passenger side front bumper corner, that's all good, no scuffs. Have a look down the side profile of the van from this angle, and as I've already mentioned, lovely polished finish to that paintwork, and there are no major dents or dings to point out to you looking down the side of that van. Around to the driver's side headlamp unit's good, and then driver's side front bumper corner, again also in good condition. Again, look down the side profile of the van, and again nice mirrored finish to the paintwork on this side, and again no major dents or dings to point out to you. Driver's side front wing, that's all looking good. We have a driver's side front factory steel wheel with centre cap and a budget tyre. That tyre has plenty of tyre tread depth, as you can see there. Your mirror unit with integrated indicator and upper and lower mirrors are also in good condition. The driver's side door glass, that's all looking good. Now check out your alignment of your driver's side door to your front ring and rear quarter, and you can see everything lines up as you would expect it to, and the condition of the door itself also in good condition. Driver's side door handle and locker in good order. And then if I get down low, check out the lower sills. Hopefully you can see both the sills and that black protective strip going down the side of the vehicle are in good order with no damage. Your mid quarter, again all looking neat and tidy, and then your driver's side rear quarter, again all looking neat and tidy as well. Now driver's side rear factory steel wheel, factory centre cap, and again another budget tyre there, and again loads of tyre tread depth on there for you as well. In your arches, everything looking clean and tidy as well. And then corner bits, all looking good. Your rear light units all in good order, no damage. And then bumper corner trims are also in good condition as well. Now we think with this van, it was opted with that tow bar from new, which meant that it didn't get the reverse parking sensors that this model would normally get. If you do want reverse parking sensors fitted, we can get that done for you, or you can potentially get a rear parking camera fitted to it as well. Speak to us if it's a big deal. But let's just show you that bumper. That bumper on the whole is in good all-round condition. A few minor little bits on it, but nothing major. We have a tow pack, a ball and pin tow pack, as they call it there. That's all good. And then your rear door on this side, again, overall good condition. Door handle and locker looking good. Check out the alignment of the door as I bring the camera down on the passenger side, and you can see it aligns up to the other door nicely as well. Inside the van opens up, and as you can see in the back here, we have your standard factory full height bulkhead with storage above the roof. It is ply lined in the back. That ply lining has done a job, but it's also got plenty of life left in it as well. Now, ply lining, it's ply. Ply can look different depending on, you know, what you want to do with it. Now, you do get some people that will go, oh, I don't like the look of that ply lining kit. A bit of grey garage floor paint and about half an hour of your time, and it'll look like a brand new ply lining kit again. As you can see, it's not chipped up or anything, all looking good. Tie down points, of which you have 6 of them. Bulkhead has a few minor bits of wear and tear on it, but nothing major. And your roof up there, that's all looking good as well. Inside of the rear doors, as you can see, these are nicely ply lined as well. And again, although the ply lining's done a job, it's still got plenty of life left in it. Corner bits on the passenger side, as you can see, all looking good. Passenger side rear light units looking good, and then passenger side rear bumper corner, again all good, no scuffs. If we look down the side profile from this angle, you can see everything's looking fine and dandy. Passenger side rear quarter. Now, what have we got going on here? Okay, so that is all glue from sign writing. Obviously Ollie, my valeter, didn't quite make it this far, or maybe a little bit too high for you all. Anyway, that will all come off with glue. I'm trying to decide whether that's glue or whether that is a scratch. To be honest with you, it's that bloody cold here at the moment. I can't quite feel with my fingers. These might be touch-ins, but it might be glue. This is glue. Okay, we'll get that sorted out for you. To be fair, the weather's been pretty horrific, so we're battling our way through it. Lower quarter this side, all looking good. Passenger side, factory steel wheel, factory centre hubcap with a couple of scuffs on it, and a budget tyre on there, I think, with plenty of tyre tread depth. Sliding door on this side, again, all looking pretty good, no major damage. Getting down low, check out your lower sills. Again, those are in good condition. And your protective strips down the side of the vehicle, also in good order as well. Passenger side front door, that's all looking good. And your door handles are good. Let me demonstrate to you the sliding door, sir. Opens, slides back and holds into place as you would expect. Your entry sills are in good order, with no signs of any excessive wear or tear or damage from getting stuff in and out. Door shuts, as you can see, are clean and tidy. Your sliding door rubber is present and correct. The reason I say some of these things and point them out is because you will have a look around and you will find that some vans are not as they are. There we go, there's another viewpoint at the back of it. Don't know whether that made any sense, but yeah. There we go. And behind this little flap here is your locked diesel fuel filler and your AdBlue filler, because obviously this is a Euro 6 van, so you can go into those emission zones with no penalty charge. Passenger door glass is good. Passenger mirror unit, upper and lower mirrors, those are looking good as well. Door handle's good. Passenger side front door also in good order, and then passenger side front wing, that's in good order as well. Passenger side front steel wheel, passenger centre cap's looking good, and we have another budget tyre on there, as you can see there. Now, We open up inside and we have passenger side door card. Got you just a spare number plate should you decide to use that tow bar. Door bins are in clean, tidy condition, as you can see. Your door shuts on this side, again, very clean and tidy. And your entry seals and plastics on this side, again, I would say above average condition. You have some really light wear and tear there, but nothing major. And then your flooring inside the van. Now, if you're looking at flooring in these vans, you know that that driver's side can get quite manky and horrible, no matter the age and the miles. But this one's in good order. Your dashboard, as you can see, is good. We have glove box in there. We have another glove box down there. And then headlining's looking good. And then driver's side seat trim also in clean, tidy condition as well. Clean them all properly, all of your floors and everything, all nice and tidy. Did I just... No, I didn't open up that bonnet then, so let me go back to there. There's your bonnet pull. And then opening up your bonnet, we have the little yellow handle there that opens up your bonnet. And then we have over here the correct colour coolant for Citroen with no contamination in it. And that's a really clean and tidy header tank as well. Windscreen washers behind there. Brake fluid. There's your oil filler. Your dipstick is down there. Just trying to show you. It's very compact engine bay, but hopefully you can see. There's your air box there. That's where your air filter is kept. Hopefully you can see. Overall, it's really nice and tidy, isn't it? Now, driver's side. So, driver's side door card. Let's move this for sale board out your way. Door bins again are clean and tidy. Door card is in good order. We have electric windows and electric mirrors as well. The door shuts on this side are also clean. Entry seals and plastics on this side, not in bad order. Again, just some really minor wear and tear there. But again, if you're looking at these boxes and relays, you know that is an area that can get really quite bad on them. And the same with the flooring on the driver's side. On this van, it's incredibly good condition. Sorry, telephone's just gone off and cut the video off. So I think I was waffling on about the state of the floors. You would say potentially that at 34,000 miles it wouldn't be worn, but trust me, I've had them worn through at 15,000 miles. Driver's side seat, as you can see, clean and tidy as well. Handbrake is there. And then top of the dash over here. Again, looking good. Now, 34,656 miles. Just going to fire her up for you. So, first thing it does is check your oil level. It's giving us a warning that there's possibly ice on the road, because it is just 2 degrees outside at the moment. But the instrument binnacle, it's nice and tidy. There's no excessive dust in there, no excessive scratching, nothing like that. Your steering wheel, hopefully you can see, is in overall really tidy condition, still with all of your factory texture on there. It's not excessively worn. We have multifunction for your telephone and your search controls, and then on this side multifunction for your volume, mute and a bit of voice activation. Right hand stalk over here is for your wipers. The left hand stalks over here are for lights, and we have cruise control with speed limiter. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox, reverse gear all the way to the left and then forwards. And then over here we have that nice little head unit, which gives you a TomTom sat nav. As I say, it gives you DAB, FM and AM with Bluetooth telephone and Bluetooth music. The all-important God-given right of air conditioning. You don't have a heated rear window, but you do have a button. Central locking, hazard warning lights, and then ASR is like your electronic stability program. In here is just an additional storage bin, and then just under there is another USB power point. You've got USB power point there, and you've got a 12-volt power point there as well. All of your dash vents are in good order. And then in between your seats, it's not full of old McDonald's and dust and stuff like that. And that, my friends, is about it. So there are 50 to 60 photos of this van on our website. Our website is vanstoday.com. We are Vans Today Worcester, based in the centre of the country, offering you nationwide delivery, part exchange and finance. And if you're worried about who you're buying off, check out our reputation online. We have reviews on Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, so like and subscribe for all of our latest purchases. So essentially with this van, I think, apart from a little bit of tar and adhesive and a couple of minor touch-ins, it's a very tidy example. Very, very popular in the medium wheelbase, especially with the converters nowadays, to be fair. Handy with a tow bar on it. It's not done a lot of hard days, it's not done a lot of work, to be fair, has it? So there we go. Now, any queries, feel free to come back. I'm Simon. My company's Vans Today. We're based here in Worcester. We don't bite. Give us a shout. Thanks for watching. It's a good 15 minutes of your life you're never going to get back. But if you are interested in the vehicle, it gives you an honest description of what it is that you're buying. Cheers, folks. Bye.